What is he doing? Let's find out.
Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Today, we're learning some awesome action words
With some fun sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
He is.
Eating.
What is he doing? He is eating. He is running.
Can you run? Now open your book really wide. He is reading. Reading is so much fun. Can you guess what he's doing? Splish, splash, splish, splash. Yes, he is swimming. Repeat after me. He is swimming. Up we go. He is jumping. He is jumping. And you jump, jump, jump. He is cooking.
What is he doing? Yes, he is cooking.
He is clapping. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hand. He is kicking. He is sliding. He's having so much fun sliding. Whee! Show me your moves. He is dancing. He is dancing. Dancing is so much fun. Can you dance? Shh. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Scrub, scrub. He is washing. What is he washing? He's washing his hands. You can do this. He is climbing. Say it after me. He is climbing. Now, he is painting. Painting is so much fun. He is sorting. He's sorting his toys out. He is planting. He is singing. He is skipping. He is writing. Today we learned many words
And some fun sentences. It was so much fun learning with you today. Subscribe for more fun learning.